We have an update to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV. Let's talk. A 6-year-old boy that was reported missing in Clarendon on Friday. His body has now been found. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Just a bit of update and a bit of breaking news to bring to you right here on the program right now. A 6-year-old boy that was reported missing in Clarendon, his body has been found. So the body of the missing 5-year-old boy who goes by the name Oshane Banton has been found at a pump house in Lionel town, Clarendon. Little Oshane went missing on Friday, and up to late Saturday, the police were still processing the scene. And we are not sure what transpired to him, but we'll try our very best to keep you up to date and try to give you the latest update that we have to bring to you as it relates to this. So the police are currently on the scene and they're processing it. We're not sure how he met his demise, and we are just trying right now just to get the latest update as it relates to that for you, the general public. But this situation is just so sad, and it's one that is very unfortunate as well. And we're just hoping that everyone does try their very best just in order to give the family that level of comfort that they will require during this difficult time. And I know that the family right now is having a very difficult time coping with this news, as many and right across were hoping for not this news, and this news came as a shock as well, because I saw the story on Friday when his pictures began to surface online that he went missing, and we're just getting this development now that his body was found. So that is really a shocking revelation to report on right now, but we'll try our very best to just get the latest details as it relates to what transpired. But as you can see him there on screen, such a nice looking young boy. What transpired here still puzzles many, and we'll try our very best though to get the latest information as it relates to this 6-year-old boy. But when we look, there are so much situation going on. This year has been a year that has left us with so much heartache, so much pain, and so much unpredictable situations. We have seen how situations have played out, and we have seen how this year has just been such a sad and unfortunate year for many. And what can I say? I can't even begin to even think what the families of this young boy is going through during this difficult time. However, we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity though just to express our condolences to the family and friends of this 6-year-old boy. What transpired to him right now still puzzles many, and we are trying to keep ahead of this and trying to keep on top of it, just in order to just give you the latest report that we have to bring to you as it relates to this. But Oshane, he's gone, and it has left our country in shock once more. What is really going on? What could have transpired leading to his death right now? That's the question out there, and we'll try our very best to provide some later update as it relates to this. So we're gonna leave this one here right though for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's start breaking news report, and we'll have more updates to come on this story later on. Peace out. Bless.